In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter NotifyBuddy. Hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process will be complete, we can open our app. Now let's move to the next step, and we'll need to grant 3 permissions to this app. First one is phone permission, so click on the grant and then simply allow. Next is more complicated, so there's overlay permission, click on the grant. Now we'll need to find NotifyBuddy, it's right here, click on this switch, move back, and it's enabled. Next is notification permission, click on grant again, find NotifyBuddy, and then allow. Let's move back, and all 3 are enabled. So the last thing here is battery optimization, and you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step, click OK. And our app is ready. So here we have 4 tabs. First one is user. So here you can pick any app to allow this custom LED lamp notifications to appear. So for example, I have for this Facebook app, I enabled it. Now let's move to the next tab, which is system, and here's all system bound apps. In the active, you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change everything about this LED lamp. You can change time between blinking, you can change shape, placement on the screen, size, all kinds of stuff. But some of the settings are locked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on the test, and here we'll be able to see this LED lamp and how it's gonna look like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.